Hello, in today's episode, we delve into the dynamic realm of Bitcoin, crypto, XRP, Solana, and Cardano. Discover Bitcoin's resilient rebound, its triumph over silver in ETF market cap, and the crypto roller coaster featuring wild market swings, AI predictions, and optimistic outlooks. Explore EDX's groundbreaking milestone, the Ripple versus SEC clash with in-depth coverage, and Ripple's CTO unveiling insights on SEC triumph, XRP challenges, fan dynamics, ledger evolution, and decentralization discourse. Witness Solana's impressive 300% surge, challenging Ethereum, BlockDAG's $1 million presale buzz, and Cardano's ascent in CVVC's top 50 amid market turbulence. Hello, and welcome to SatoshiBuzz, your ultimate source for the latest news on Bitcoin, XRP, and crypto. I'm your friendly host, Tochukwu Okonkwo. Let's dive into today's headlines together. Bitcoin has taken a bit of a tumble, dropping by 20% following the launch of 10 US spot Bitcoin ETFs. But don't worry, crypto enthusiasts, we have some good news. Analysts believe that two factors, such as the change in market dynamics and interest rates, are expected to drive Bitcoin's revival. Noelle Acheson, author of the Crypto is Macro Now newsletter, believes that the recent fall is only temporary. She points out that factors such as ETF-related buying, geopolitical tension, and Bitcoin's role as a hedge asset will contribute to the cryptocurrency's resurgence. Isn't that great? The best part is that the recovery has already begun. Bitcoin, which had fallen below $39,000, is now trading at over $40,000, showing a 3% gain since Tuesday. Acheson notes that we're seeing a glimpse of market sanity. Mispriced rate outlooks are being corrected. Yay. Acheson also highlights the resilience of the market. He states that it has happened before. Investors feel optimistic. Listen up, Bitcoin has reached a groundbreaking milestone. It surpassed silver as the second largest ETF commodity. This is a huge achievement. It shows the growing interest and acceptance of Bitcoin in the global financial market. Are you ready to ride the wave with us? Bitcoin ETFs have outperformed traditional silver ETFs. Some thought it was impossible. The Grayscale Bitcoin Trust ETF has a market cap of around $24.8 billion. It dwarfs the combined assets of silver ETFs. They hover around $11 billion. This shift is not about numbers. It's a sign of investor confidence in Bitcoin as a legitimate asset class. The evolution of ETFs reflects changing investor preferences. They started with traditional assets, such as stocks and bonds. Now they've embraced digital currencies, like Bitcoin. The recent approval of the first spot Bitcoin ETF in the US is a huge milestone. It marks a defining moment in traditional finance. Eric Balchunas, an ETF analyst, calls it a once-in-a-decade occurrence.
Wow.
It offers investors direct exposure to Bitcoin in traditional finance. The road to regulatory approval for Bitcoin ETFs has been bumpy. What a wild ride it has been for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. The market has seen significant fluctuations this week. They were triggered by massive outflows from Grayscale's spot Bitcoin ETF. Some experts suggest that this might be the beginning of more turbulence. Joe Lonsdale, the co-founder of Palantir, made a pretty mind-blowing prediction recently. He thinks artificial intelligence agents will soon enter the crypto market. And get this, these AI agents could become a big deal. They might even become important buyers in the market. Lonsdale has some exciting news to share with us. AI agents are becoming more integrated into our economy. They might start using cryptocurrency. They would use it to coordinate with incentive systems. How cool is that? They are currently considering Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and Solana. If these digital assets are synchronized and coordinated, it could reshape the crypto landscape in a significant way. Lonsdale is pretty optimistic about cryptocurrencies. He is especially hopeful. He hopes we continue to face economic challenges. He thinks that factors like a large deficit, inflation, and government spending could drive up the value of cryptocurrencies. And you know what? This supports Cathie Wood's super ambitious prediction. The price of Bitcoin will go beyond $500,000. Bitcoin's price faces a test around $40,000. Let's take a moment to explore this. EDX Markets has reached a major milestone. The company is backed by Fidelity. It achieves $1 billion. The company is now setting its sights on the vibrant Asian market. They announced their clearinghouse, EDX Clearing. This comes after a successful Series B funding round. That's not all. Reports suggest the funding valuation has doubled since their last funding round. They have some big names on board. These include Pantera Capital, Citadel Securities, Fidelity, Digital Assets, and Virtue Financial. They have new funding. They plan to open a derivatives exchange in Singapore. Why Singapore, you ask? It offers a lot of flexibility. This is especially true for institutional derivative trading. Plus, they're gearing up for spot and derivatives trading. They plan to enter perpetual futures next. It's a smart move that aligns with the latest trends in the DeFi sector. This puts EDX Markets in direct competition with AsiaNext. AsiaNext is a joint venture. It is formed by SIX Stock Exchange and SBI Digital Asset Holdings. It's an exciting time for the Asian market, and we can't wait to see what happens next. Their new clearinghouse, EDX Clearing, is worth mentioning as well. It's a centralized crypto clearinghouse. It aims to enhance counterparty risk management. It operates 24/7, 365. Anchorage provides digital asset custody during settlements. This reduces liquidity requirements and credit risk. Paul Vereditakit is a top professional. He is from Pantera Capital. He recently shared how important it is to manage counterparty risk. He also said institutions all over the world are moving towards non-custodial marketplaces. Listen up, the Ripple versus SEC saga is far from over. The latest development focuses on XRP sales after 2020. The SEC is pushing Ripple to reveal sales data and financial statements. Ripple argues that it's irrelevant to the case. It's a legal chess match. The SEC insists on considering post-complaint conduct in determining remedies. Ripple claims that the SEC's request is untimely and irrelevant. The court is currently debating the penalty for illegal sales. The SEC's move is raising some eyebrows. Ripple's legal team believes the requested discovery should have been sought earlier. They argue that this late request is an attempt to reopen a debate already settled by the court. This legal clash is affecting the dynamics of the crypto market. Get ready for a dose of this. In a recent interview with the protocol, David Schwartz, Ripple Labs CTO, discusses Ripple's SEC victory and more. 6 months ago, Ripple secured a legal win against the SEC, but it faced challenges, including XRP's delisting on exchanges. Schwartz highlights how it impacted their strategy, especially in attracting developers and adoption. Schwartz talks about Ripple's fan base, the XRP army, and its blessings and challenges. The enthusiastic community can be a double-edged sword, and he sheds light on the complexities of engagement. The conversation shifts to the XRP ledger's evolution, with Schwartz providing insights into upcoming features like hooks. He explains its potential integration, emphasizing its cautious approach and the importance of maintaining the ledger's core functionality. Schwartz tackles Ripple's decentralization, criticisms and presents a thought-provoking perspective. He questions the necessity of full decentralization for certain blockchain functionalities and emphasizes the community's role in maintaining checks and balances. Listen up, let's chat about Solana. Some people call it the Ethereum killer. It's causing a stir with a 300% increase. This surpasses Ethereum in the dynamic crypto landscape. But what does this mean for the crypto industry? Solana has had a meteoric rise, boasting a 440% increase. It has positioned itself as the second largest chain in DEX volumes. It is challenging Ethereum's stronghold. But will Solana overthrow Ethereum's dominance? The crypto community is buzzing with anticipation. Solana shines. Ethereum is facing a slower development pace. Could Solana emerge as the new crypto head? The debate rages on. Now, let's switch gears and talk about BlockDAG, the new kid on the block. In the spotlight, BlockDAG is labeled as the next crypto to explode. It has secured over $1 million in pre-sales within 24 hours. This newcomer is heating up the crypto sphere, but why all the buzz? BlockDAG has a robust ecosystem. It plans to launch its mainnet in 6 months. It's designed for mobile mining. It emphasizes energy efficiency and user engagement. The innovative consensus method promises swift and secure transactions. Cardano has been making waves by securing a spot in the prestigious VC Top 50 report of 2023. But ADA faced a slight drop in the past week. This left investors wondering about its future. But don't worry, we'll break it down for you. We'll see if Cardano will rebound or if stormy days lie ahead. Despite the recent dip, Cardano enthusiasts have hope. Some people think a bull run is coming soon. ADA's growing popularity supports this idea. It suggests a bullish trajectory. Exciting, right? We'll keep a close eye on market dynamics to bring you the latest. Let's shift gears to Rebel Satoshi, the dark horse in the crypto race. It's caught our attention by securing over $1.5 million in pre-sale funding. The project challenges traditional financial structures. It has a vision for a decentralized financial system. Could this be the ICO to watch? Satoshi's native token, RBLZ, has seen incredible growth during its pre-sale rounds. Rebel Satoshi created the token. Starting at 1 cent in the early bird round, it surged by 124% to 2.24 cents in the Monarch's round 4. Rebel Satoshi had a successful pre-sale. They are now gearing up for a February launch on DEXs. The price will be 2.5 cents per RBLZ. Early investors are eyeing a potential 150% profit. That's a wrap for today's Satoshi Buzz. Until next time, stay crypto cool, my friends.